Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video this is a continuation of the previous video, which I talk about how to purchase a Vimos cloud phone. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the cloud phone. So without wasting much of our time, let me dive straight to the video. Now, as you can see, this is the cloud phone I purchased. So before I set it up, before I input my proxy and everything, I want to show you guys something. So once I launch the cloud phone, this is how it looks like. It will allow it to finish loading. Now this is how the cloud phone looks like. This is how it is. So now what you need to do is let me go to the browser. You can see the browser it comes with. So I'll click on the browser, and then I'm going to check the location. So let me use ip8.com. You can see this is just like a new device entirely. This is a new device entirely inside your phone again. You understand? So iPhone users can also do this. If you are using iPhone, you can also use this. Understand? So let me just continue. Now, as you can see, I just check ip8.com, and as you can see, I have not imputed my own proxy. So this is to show that this particular this particular cloud phone comes with a US IP address, and as you can see, look at the index, look at the score, 55%, which is very poor. So this type of IP, you can see the dangers it entails. You understand? So this IP, you cannot use this IP to take service. You cannot use it to take service because automatically your account will get banned. So now you can see this is a hosting IP. All the cloud phone comes with hosting IP. You understand? Which is a data center IP address. So this is what I want to show you guys. Now let me go and now set up my proxy. So I will now go back. Let me exit from the phone. So you just go back. Now once you exit and go to your dashboard, mind you can download the app. You can download the Vimos app on your phone instead of you coming to this website. You can download the app, and then you can see once you click on download, you can download it for any of this operating system. Since I'm using Android, let me download it. So you download it and wait for it to finish downloading. For easy access, just download the app. So let's wait for the app to finish downloading. Download the app and then install it. You install it on your phone. So I've just installed it and you wait for it to finish installation. So it has finished installing. Just click on open. So you allow all the necessary informations. Alright, so we agree. So you can see it's very easy to use on the app. Now, since we did not use password, we use OTP. So we'll just wait for them to send us OTP, but we need to verify that you are not a robot. Alright, so I will now go and get my code which they sent to the email address. So the code has arrived, so I'll just copy it and paste it. Just paste it and it's going to load automatically. Verification code error. Okay, now you can see it has finished loading. So now, how can we now set up our proxy? Come over to this where the device is. You can see this settings icon here. Click on it. Now once you click on it, you come over to where they write change IP, or you click on change configuration, any of this, but just click on change IP. Now once you click on change IP, it's going to take you to this page. Now this is where you have to input all your IP details. You understand? So now I'm going to minimize and go get my IP and clip proxy. I'm just using this for demonstration. You can use any of your IP, any of your static IP. If you are using this particular cloud phone for Atapol service, so let me enter my clip proxy account and generate an IP. Sign in. Alright, so I'll click on to use. Then I'll quickly generate an IP. So let me generate IP for UK, IP for United Kingdom. So the state, let me select England. City, I can select any of this. Any of this is okay. Let me just select this. Now click on search IP pool. So I'll pick from these IPs here. Connect. Now I've generated an IP as you can see here. So I'll copy the details. Go back to my cloud phone. Now where the right proxy name, you can put anything there. You can put anything. The server address, what you just copy, you paste it here. Now you copy the last, that's your port, you paste it here. Then now where the right account, it means your username, then a password. So I'm going to minimize and copy my username and password. Mind you, if your username, if your your proxy does not have username and password, you cannot be able to use it on cloud phone. Understand? Because they require what's it called? They require a proxy that has username and password. You understand? So let me paste the password here. Now as you can see, this is everything is intact. Then you click on check network. Now you can see check network passed GB. You can see the location is UK. So you can see that means everything is okay. Then you click on save. Now automatically once you click on save, it's going to change it's going to change the details, the IP details of your cloud phone. Now you click on the phone and then launch it. Now you can see this is the phone. I have launched the phone. So the next thing now is to check if I'm actually connected to United Kingdom. So we come to Chrome. So it's just as if you are setting up a new device. You can see it. The thing is just as if I'm setting up a new phone. So let me now check ip8.com. So click on enter. Now it is still showing us Los Angeles, so that means something is wrong. So you need to go back. You need to go back to your settings. Go back to the phone settings. So I'm going to exit. Now go back to the settings here where you imputed this thing, the IP. Now you click on the change IP again. Understand? Now this time around, you come over to what's it called? Where you impute the details again. Then you will re-impute everything. You will re-impute the details because the IP is not showing. Okay, look at it here. You come to this static. This is the IP I just imputed. You can see it says saved on. So you click on the IP and click on save. Now change cloud language. Remember my choice. You click on confirm change. Alright, so it has finished loading. Then you click on enter to launch the app. Reconnect. It has disconnect. So yeah, okay, you have to wait for it to finish because we just imputed our IP. You understand? So you have to wait for it to finish. Now it has finished reconnecting. So you click on open to launch the cloud phone. Alright, it has finished loading and you can see. So now let me now go back to my Chrome browser. No thanks. Now I will not check on the IP again. I'll check on my IP again to see. So this time around you can see the IP has changed to what? United Kingdom. That means our IP has successfully climbed the cloud phone. So you can see now from US details now to what? UK. Now that's not all. So you need to go back to the home page of the phone. Now there is something you need to do here. You need to set up your Play Store. So that means you are going to log in one of your email address. You log in your email address so that you'll be able to download. You'll be able to download anything, any application. Understand? Because as I said before, this is just like you setting up a new phone. You understand? So let me enter James Paul 2507 at gmail.com. So you log in one of your email address. I'm just taking my time to explain everything for you guys. .com. Then click on next. So they are going to ask you to input your password. So I'm going to pause the video and input my password. So I have successfully logged in my email address on the cloud phone. Accept. Alright, so as you can see now, everything is set. We have successfully imputed our email address. So now you need to download Google Map on your cloud phone. If you are using it for Apple, Google Map. You download the Google Map on the cloud phone. just install it. So just make sure you install any necessary application you need. You need to download what's it called, Gmail app on the cloud phone too, because the app did not come with it. You understand? So all these things, and you need to have them on the cloud phone. That's Gmail. Gmail. And click on. So install Gmail also. Now, then you can download your Atapol. For those who want to use it for Atapol, you download the Atapol survey. Download the Atapol app on your phone, on the cloud phone. So once you download it and it's finished installing, then you do everything on your cloud phone. Understand? So let me wait for the Google Map to finish downloading and show you guys the reason why you need it on your phone. The reason why you need, let me just explain it. The reason why you need Google Map on the phone is because whenever you want to open an Atapol account, if you reach where the Atapol will ask you that they want to detect your location, automatically, if Google Map is not on the device, on the cloud phone, it's going to tell you that they are unable to detect your location. And if you are inputting the zip code manually, it will affect your account. So you having Google Map on the cloud phone now, it will enable them to detect the location of your IP. That's the location of where your IP is located. I hope you guys understand. So basically, this is how to set up the cloud phone. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on another video.